Welcome to the Algo-CRM feature playlist. In this video, we will see how to upload Enquiry Excel file. First, we will start from the company page where we need to select a company. I am selecting Arihant Solution 2. Now we are on the dashboard of Algo-CRM. The Enquiry Upload feature allows users to upload multiple enquiries in bulk simultaneously. To access this feature, go to the left menu panel, click on Workflows, and then select Enquiry. An enquiry ticket is essentially an enquiry list page where you can track, add, and manage all incoming enquiries in one place. It provides a centralized view of every customer query, whether received through emails, WhatsApp messages, or in-person visits, ensuring that no lead is missed or forgotten. Now, we will upload enquiries using the Upload Enquiry feature. Right next to the Add New button, you will see an Upload File button. We will click on it. As soon as we click, an Upload File interface will appear. In this, there are two buttons, Select File and Download Sample File. Before uploading the file, it is important to understand its required format. To proceed, we will click on Download Sample File. This will download the sample Excel file for reference. The system displays the exact structure of the Excel file that is expected. Now we will show the downloaded sample Excel file sheet. In the Excel file, there are mandatory fields such as contact person, enquiry description, received date, and received by. There are also optional fields like source, category, product list, assigned to, and many more. It is important to understand this format accurately. Once your data is filled correctly as per the sample file, return to the Upload interface. Now, click on the Select File button. Now, we will select the file from our system that we want to upload. Once selected, the file will be displayed here. Click on the Upload File button. A confirmation pop-up will appear with the message, "File upload has started" in the background. Please check the plugin dashboard to monitor the progress. Then, click on the Confirm button. Now, we will move to the plugin dashboard to check the status of the uploaded file. To access it, go to the left menu panel, click on Administration, and then select Plugin Dashboard. Here, you will be able to see the status of the file. If there are any errors in the file, they will also be displayed here. In the description column, the file name will be shown. In the status, it will display completed once the data is successfully uploaded. The progress section shows the upload percentage. The start time and end time display when the upload process began and finished. In the message field, if the file is successfully uploaded, it will show the message, "Enquiry file upload completed successfully." Otherwise, if any error occurs, the error details will be displayed. In the error report section, if there are any errors, an error report will be available, which you can download and review. Here, our file has been successfully uploaded, and the success message is displayed. Now, your enquiry data has been uploaded to the Algofast CRM, saving time, ensuring consistency, and making data management more efficient. Thank you.